You can't see me. I'm in the bag. Can't see me, I'm in a bag. There it is. There's the exit. You getting birthed again? I'm gonna go turn on the beast. What are you doing?
Got mascara all over my eyes because
Wow,
I sneezed.
that's scary. Ooh, I'm always excited to get into my car. Hear that rumble. Oh yeah. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. What's up, guys? We're gonna go for a little ride in the Subi. Let's go. Nina, you think I should change the mufflers to an axle back and delete the mufflers?
I have no clue.
It has no.
I don't even know what that does.
No comment. What it does is just it allows the air flow through without muffling it. Basically.
So more noise.
More noise, more true sound for the exhaust. And, you know, just
whatever
it
your
makes the
heart
car
desires.
alive. Makes it alive.
Yeah.
So we're just basically going for a ride. Get, you know,
Milk.
Because
I'm making Dutch pancakes.
Yep. And we're just getting, you know, daily driving sounds from the exhaust, of the stock exhaust. Just to show you guys on YouTube when there's a million other videos of the same exhaust sound. But this one's from me and Nina. In the comments below, leave suggestions on exhaust. I see you, I'm back, and yep, I did park in the customer with infants.
Nice paper towel ball.
It's not, it's a receipt.
I got so nervous.
That's no paper towel balls. That's a receipt. Alright, so the car is in a SI mode, SI drive, SI intelligent mode. That's how I drive on it on a daily basis, every day. Try to be eco-friendly, but this car is not economical in every way. I rarely drive it on Sport and Sport Sharp. For what? I don't know. So the sounds of the exhaust are coming in from the, oh jeez, I don't know how to drive. They're coming in from intelligent mode or whatever. Yeah, intelligent mode. I don't even know my car.
Okay, just stop talking. Whoop whoop!
Whoop, whoop. You want to fucking turn, asshole? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That car took forever to turn. All right, whatever. That's it. All right, it made me rage. All right, we're back at the crib. Let me go in and. Oh jeez, almost pulled out my whole bumper. That concludes my little video and my little rant. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And leave in the comments below if you have any suggestions on axle backs. No full cat backs, axle backs. And if it's worth even buying that piece of metal.